communication established for my virtual machines if I'm going to put it into the bridge connection. Fine. That's why
Hmm.
we are able to enroll it.
Okay, got it.
I hope you guys are able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Any question, any doubt regarding the topics that we completed regarding the enrollment process? Because we talked about the way how we can enroll our Windows-based machine by using the method of BYOD, bring your own devices, right? In case of bring your own devices, what we performed, what are the tasks we manage? We understand about the concept of enrollment of machines with the help of MDM discovery URL. We enrolled our devices with the help of company portal. Both are totally different to each other. Company portal can help us and can allow us to enroll, uh, like as you enroll any kind of platforms, right? We can enroll
Right.
any kind of platform with the help of same portal. The benefit to enroll our device by using company portal, you will see the number of machines that you enroll with the help of same user account. Is that correct?
Right. Yes. But in MDM we cannot see.
In MDM discovery URL, you are not able to see the impact. So let's try to understand more about it. I'm going to check the points. So this was last topic that we discussed, I think, right? How to configure group policy and we perform the group policy management.
Yes, sir.
This was the topic that we completed.
Yes. Yes. So we are on the practical to block the control panel.
Exactly. We perform the task related to the block the control panel. I'm moving my on-premises machine that we established. This is our Windows 10 based virtual machine and Windows 11 based virtual machine. Windows 11 computers, and I hope this machine we have already enrolled. So let me check the name of computer and try to implement policy from the portal. CMD and check
Test
host name.
test PC.
Demo PC, the computer name that we established on on-premises, which is demo PC. Let me check the same demo PC should be available over a portal.
पर सर हमने लास्ट टाइम टेस्ट पीसी भी करा था एक.
That I need to check. Demo PC is available that we enroll with the help of Telnet at what time? 12, but this is another demo PC.
Right. So we have enrolled the test PC, last one. Last one.
This one,
Yes.
the device that I enrolled, but unfortunately user was deleted. So that's why we are not able to find the UPN suffix name, right?
Okay.
Means no use of this machine so
Hmm.
far. We are going to remove these machines and try to perform fresh activity. Telnet was user that we used, right? And this machine is already member of domain controller, the cloud.com. And the same machine we enrolled over a Microsoft Intune portal. One Windows 10 computer is also available. Name of this machine is test PC, right? And the test PC that we enrolled with the user that I need to identify
GCP.
GCP, but unfortunately user deleted by administrator from portal. Yes, great. So I'm going to disconnect and try to enroll it again with the help of another user, the fresh user that I'm going to create. And after that, we'll proceed for the next. Back to the Intune because I used my portal last week for the dedicated project. So that's why we are able to see multiple devices I enrolled. A number of 18 different devices are available. I'm going to remove each and every devices, then proceed for the next.
Sir, how come there are 18 devices? Last time there were around 5 devices.
Only 5 devices.
Hmm.
Let me check because earlier we established multiple GPUs, so I don't want to like conflict with our existing group policy because this is really important for us. We must need to know about every step from scratch. So that's why I'm going to delete everything, the GPU, because today we are going to talk about one really important service. I'm talking about the compliance policy and conditional access policy. So that's why let me make my portal and tenant free from existing policies and permissions that we can easily apply the policy and get the impact of each and every policies from scratch.
Sir, are there any other codes going on? Like for the same in tune?
No, actually I did one project for one of MNC, so up to
Okay.
15 to 16 candidates are joined. Just 3 days training that I completed. It will take time to disappear the machine from portal. Let me enroll our on-premises Windows 10 computer to the Intune portal, and let me identify the name of this machine. Host name, this is test PC that we logged in with the help of local administrator, right? So I'm going to enroll this machine again. Net space user space administrator, then password. For safety purpose, I'm just going to activate my built-in administrator. Okay.
Sir, what is this command for?
To activate our built-in administrator, net space user space administrator, right? And provide password slash active colon yes. Fine.
So, sir, how come that this user is not active? How do you know that administrator user?
Actually, Microsoft did lots of changes with their operating system from Windows 8 operating system, right? So earlier with Windows Vista and Windows 7, whenever we install new operating system on any base machine, then you will get the access of root account, which is very harmful for every client, right? So from Windows 8 onwards, they decided your built-in active built-in admin account should be disabled. You will get the access of your computer by using a standard administrator, not built-in administrator. And huge gap between the standard administrator and built-in administrator. Standard administrator can perform limited work, but the built-in administrator can perform every task related to your machine, related to your computer, related to your operating system. For the security reason, they block the access of built-in administrator from Windows 8 onwards. Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11, right?
तो सर ये
We'll
चेक
not
कहाँ
able to access.
सर ये
Yeah.
चेक कहाँ से करते हैं मतलब कि दिस इज बिल्ट इन
Yeah,
एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर.
नहीं नहीं एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर जो होगा वो एडमिन के नाम से होगा. If you open my PC, this PC, and go to the manage option, it will show you the list of number of users, right? Go to the local user and computers. It will provide this is a standard administrator, and this one is our built-in administrator account.
ओके.
Clear? And this one is a standard. This is a member of our administrator, not a built-in administrator, not a root administrator. So we don't have a rights, enough rights with the standard administrator account.
So for built in we have to always use this command from
Correct.
Windows 8.
From Windows 8.1 onwards.
Okay.
Fine, everyone. So let me enroll this machine with the help of Telnet user because I have already assigned the license to our Telnet user, and let's proceed. Right? Let's proceed and enroll this machine again over our Intune portal. Back to the page of Intune. Let me try to access Intune portal with the help of same machine. Easy to copy and paste the MDM discovery URL. Two different users are available with name of telnet and another is our root account. So I don't want to use root account. Let me open Intune portal. Intune.microsoft.com must be use the same user ID and password to log in your system, right? So let's wait. Go to the devices. Under the devices, we planned to enroll our Windows machines. Zero devices, no machines are available based on Windows. It will disappear within minute. Back to the Windows option. Go to the automatic enrollment. Select. Copy this URL back to the virtual machine, and in the VM, I'm trying to enroll this computer over our Intune portal. Go to the settings. Proceed with the help of our MDM discovery URL, right? So click on enroll only device management, please. Use telnet at teachmecloud.blog. Fun. We successfully configured everything and we are going to get the access of this virtual machine over a portal. Within 5 to 10 minutes, we'll get the access of same computer over our Intune portal. Our responsibility to configure my control panel. So we have a multiple information or multiple types of policies we are able to find in the control panel option, and you can apply the policy to manage and control your on-premises resources. Whatever device that you enrolled, you can easily control with the help of with the help of group policy. So so once our virtual machine will reflect over a portal, we'll configure some unique policy and then we'll see the impact, we'll see the result.
So last time also it took around 10 minutes to
Yeah,
enroll the
yeah,
device.
yeah. It's also depend upon the type of internet that you are using. Like if any fluctuation in your on-premises was seen, it will take time. Okay. Meanwhile, let's proceed and set up a kind of groups, because we also need to put our user into the group and apply the group policy to the directly group, not user. So if your user is already member of any specific group, right? If your user is already part of any specific group, so let me identify, open the user's properties, and in the user's properties, click on group, and it will give you the detail. Your user is part of app install group. Your user is part of, wait, mail enabled group. Your user is part of only Windows. Fine. So to apply the group policy, we can select this app install group or mail enabled group or only Windows group, and all are the type of security group. Two are security group and one is mail enabled security group. So let me remove it from mail enabled security group. I don't want to put it into the mail enabled security group, and we just need to put it in only app install and only Windows. So this group we are going to select while set up our group policy.
Sir, are these groups are by default?
No, I created. Like you can create. This is the created by Honor.
Okay.
So just wait for a few more minutes to get the access of our features. Now we are able to find our test group, test PC. Back to the same page and click on the configuration. Under the configuration, you can establish your policy, group policy, create new group policy, select type of platform. So definitely I want to configure this group policy for Windows 10 and later operating system. Fine. In the profile type, multiple options are available. Setting catalog, properties catalog, and last one is related to the template. Let
Sir, what
me
are the
click on,
differences?
sorry.
What are the differences between these profile types?
Hmm. Let me compare our group policy with the on-premises. Fine. To the Microsoft Intune, because we are responsible to take care of our on-premises domain controller, and also we can manage the services related to the Opera portal. All about group policy. So GPO on domain, right? And GPO on Intune. Whenever we establish our group policy with the help of on-premises domain controller, the group policy is divided into two different parts. One is users configuration. Second is computer configuration. Fine. Users configuration and computer configuration. As it is over a portal, we can apply over a Microsoft Intune portal, we can apply it for all users are Group are all devices. I'm talking about the way to apply your policy. All user means the number of users that connected with your tenant. If I'm going to set up one group policy to block the access of control panel and apply it for all users, means this policy will be applicable for each and every users that you created in the tenant, that you created over a portal. Group that will provide us dedicated option. You can segregate your policy for the specific user. Put your user to the group, select your group in this particular option, and then your policy will be applicable for that user only. All devices, the meaning of all devices, your device will be applicable, your group will policy will be applicable for all enrolled devices. The number of devices that you enrolled over a Microsoft Intune portal, your policy will be applicable for each and every devices. Fine. Apart from this, we are able to find three more options. One is admin template, right? This is folder. One is admin templates. Second is related to software setting. And the third one is application setting, right? So this is a kind of folder you can consider. These all are the folders are available on premises. And if we talk about the number of policies that we can find from these folder, up to 1985 policies are available. Means we can apply the policy from admin template. We can apply the policy from software setting. We can configure the policy from application settings as well. Guys, as it is over a Microsoft Intune portal, we are able to see three different settings, and these settings are these folders can allow us to configure policy, setting catalog, properties catalog, and templates. So our policy is divided into three different parts. One is admin template, then setting catalog, and then application catalog or properties catalog, sorry. So in simple word, you can say that this is the segregation of our group policy. Microsoft divided our policies in three different parts. Each and every folders will give us access to establish the group policy. Let me show you how it's look like. If you want to apply the policy by using the template, it will give you the separate list. What are the tasks we can manage? BIOS, custom, delivery, device restriction, domain join policy, email related policy, endpoint protection policies, kiosks, any kind of certificate, VPN, Wi-Fi policy you can manage with the help of this template feature. Setting catalog is a kind of location where we can find the policy, and those policy will directly impact to your applications that are available in Windows machine, that are available in our operating system. So if you click on create, it will redirect us on another page, and it will provide us option to set the name, demo policy. Next. And in the setting catalog, with the setting catalog, you can select the setting you want to configure, whatever settings that you want to apply to your operating systems and your operating system and the applications which are available on operating system. Click on add setting, and it will give you the list of group policies. We are able to see administrative templates, app control for business, application default, audit, authentication, BitLocker, Bluetooth, browser, and lock option, account management, and accounts policies are available. Click on admin template. Under the admin template, we can find the desktop and control panel. In the desktop, multiple options are available. 17 settings you can manage with the help of desktop policy. Do not add share of recent open document to the network. You can apply it. don't save setting, you can apply. Here we are able to see remove computer icon, prohibit adjust desktop toolbar, and prohibit user from manually redirecting profile folder, and remove properties computer. See, remove recycle bin icon from desktop. I can do that, right? I'm just going to apply this policy. Means whenever we log in our machine, we are not able to see the icon of recycle bin on desktop. Clear? This is the work of policy. Apart from this, we are able to see the control panel policy. I'm just going to click on control panel. And in the control panel, we can find prohibit access to control panel and PC settings. So what exactly happened with this policy? With the help of this particular policy, the product of the options which are available in control panel, the all features of control panel will be disabled. No one can get the access. How many policies we applied? One for desktop,
Oh,
one for desktop, remove recycle bin icon, and second we applied for control panel. Prohibit access the control panel means user will not able to open the now open the wizard of control panel. Let me choose these two policies.
and sir, one more thing, that how many policies we can apply at a time?
Number of policies, 100 policies, 200 policies you can apply. It's up to you.
Okay.
It's totally depend upon you, like how many policies
There
you
is
are
no
trying to.
limitation.
No,
Okay.
Sir, this policy is only apply for user, not for admin.
the policy that we are trying to apply.
Yes, because in on-premises we have local user and admin account, right, sir?
Correct.
For user level, we can block it. And is it possible to user level block it and allow for admin level, sir?
Yes, yes. Just give me 1 minute, please. Allow me 1 minute.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry, guys, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So remember on the panel, we are able to see the way to apply the policy, correct? If you apply
Yes, sir.
this policy to the users, to all users, then definitely you need to log in your machine with the help of same user that you selected to enroll or whatever users that you create over a tenant. Whenever you try to log in your on-premises machine, you are not able to get the access of control panel. Fine. If you apply the policy to the device, then definitely whatever user that you are trying to use, your machine will not allow you to get the access of control panel. Is that fine, please?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Two policy we applied. One is prohibit access control panel PC, right? And another remove recycle bin icon from desktop. These two policies we applied. So I'm going to proceed with next. This is a scope tag. I don't want to configure anything. Three options are available. All group, add groups, all user, add devices. So we are going to add group. I don't want to apply it for every user. So the group that we established and your user is part of multiple groups like only window. This one, only hyphen window. I'm going to select the group, click OK, next, and create. Our group policy we successfully executed with the help of Microsoft Intune portal. So I'm just going to perform some task in the sense. Go back to the devices that we enrolled. Under the devices, select your virtual machine, means the computer that we enrolled successfully over a portal, test PC. And let me click on sync. Back to on-premises machine, click sync. To apply our policy immediately, cmd gp update. Our policy is applied. We are not able to access control panel. Let me try to open it manually. I'm not authorized to get the access of control panel in both the way, right? Because our policy is successfully applied. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What other policy that we applied?
Recycle bin.
Remove
Remove
recycle bin.
recycle bin
This is live
and
activity, so it's mandatory to reset your virtual machine. Just restart your VM and wait. Definitely, it will remove the icon of recycle bin from desktop as per the policy that we implemented from backend.
And sir, what about the last time error? What happened actually when control panel was not applied? The
Net,
policy is
net,
not
net, network fluctuation. Mhm.
network.
Because
Mhm.
fluctuation in our environment, so that's why we are not able to apply the policy. Your policy is not applied basically. We did from backend. See, are we able to see recycle bin icon?
No.
Not available. Means both the policies that we applied successfully applicable for your machine. Fine. Okay. CMD. Our policies are applied for our enrolled machine, and let's find the another type of policy. So guys, see, we need to follow the same steps to apply any kind of policy, but I'll send you the list of top 10 GPU. I'll send you the list of top 10 GPU that help us to uh, that every organization use on daily basis, like block access control panel, block USB, like remove the icon from desktop, remove restart menu, shut down from a start menu, remove restart from the start menu. These types of policies we can manage. Fine. Are we good with the group policy concept? Are any question?
No, sir.
Great. Next topic we are going to talk about. This is really important for everyone because we are going to talk about the security part as well. We are going to configure compliance policy and conditional access policy. So once we complete the part of compliance policy and conditional access policy, we'll move to the another topic, like how we can perform bulk enrollment. Right. So we have another method called bulk enrollment, and with the help of bulk enrollment, we can manage. We can enroll multiple devices on single click. So guys, can we take a small break, 10-minute break, and then
Sir,
connect
I have
again?
one question. Sir,
Yeah.
for example, that if we block the access, like for the recycle bin, if we remove the icon, and
Mhm,
if one of the user deletes anything, like any file or folder, so
mhm.
the admin can see it. So the who can see the that deleted file? Who can restore the deleted file then? The administrative
Can
user.
you please repeat again?
So I'm asking that, for example, if we remove the recycle bin icon, and
Mhm,
if that user deleted the file or folder by mistake, and they have to that restore that file. So
mhm.
who can restore the file, sir? The admin user only, or we
So
need to restore?
actually, see, no.
Hmm,
Anyone can restore. We just try to hide the icon. We are not going to remove the recycle bin. We are hiding the icon only. See, think about if I'm going to open my client machine, fine, and let me
hmm,
delete any data from this machine, any file I'm going to remove.
hmm.
So still your data is stored by the recycle bin. Still, the data is stored by the recycle bin, but unfortunately, we are not able to see the recycle bin.
So who can restore it, sir?
No one.
If
For now, because we are not able to see, no one can restore it. You need to remove the policy first, right? And after that, once you remove the policy of recycle bin, then you are able to access. We delete
okay,
it, and let me try to open recycle bin from another method. We are able to see. Anyone can remove. We just remove the option of recycle bin, but you can use every steps.
okay,
It will not impact to store the data.
okay. Hmm. Noted. Thanks.
Great.
Yes.
Okay, guys. So can we take a small break and then connect again?
Sure.
Yeah. So we are going to connect in next 10 minutes. Hey everyone, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
In the
Yes, sir.
GPU, you need to practice. I'll send you the list of group policy that you need to implement from your on site because in the group policy, our responsibility to know about the way to apply the group policy and where we can apply, like to all user, to all devices, to all computer, to all groups. So it's totally depend upon you. You can select dedicated kind of container and you can apply the policy to the containers.
Sir,
Sir,
the
I have one
BitLocker.
question.
Please go ahead.
Yeah. So, sir, I was asking that the user which we enrolled right now, and then you added that user to that group, and we applied the policy. And let's say if that user has one Windows laptop of his office, which is enrolled by Autopilot, and one he has his own laptop, home laptop, which is also enrolled through company portal. So when
Okay,
you added that user to that group policy, so those group policies will be applied to his account and will apply to both of his laptop, right?
100%. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, just wanted to clear that.
Because you know that a single user and license can enroll up to 15 devices maximum. Is that correct?
Mm-hmm.
Five
Yep.
default, 15 maximum. If you enroll your device with the help of same user account, like five desktop, two laptop, you enroll with the help of same user, and you are trying to apply the group policy to the user, then definitely it will be applicable for all seven different devices. Policy will be
Okay.
applicable for all seven machines because we enrolled the devices with the help of same user ID. It's all right.
Sir,
Yep.
I have a quick
Got it.
question, sir.
Please go ahead.
Sir, the BitLocker will come under the user or under come in the hardware section, sir?
BitLocker is a part of our Windows machine.
So we can push the group policy. We can push the group policy, do we?
Yes, we can.
Okay.
BitLocker can help us to secure. BitLocker can help us to secure the partition, whatever partition that we establish, right? The drive, E
Okay.
drive, F drive. We can configure it for the drive,
Mm-hmm.
and once you apply the BitLocker, no one can open it. No one able to open the BitLocker keys, BitLocker configure device.
And also, sir, to recover the key, so we have to put the machine name. How can we recover? Just in case if we lost the key
Okay.
for BitLocker.
Okay. So whenever we set up our BitLocker, it will ask you where you want to put your recovery key. Do you want to save it on desktop or your pen drive? You want to take print out? You want to save over a Azure portal, means Intune portal? It's totally depend upon you. So you need to
Sir, in
decide the location and save it.
okay, sir, in our organization, sir, we recover from the Active Directory.
Yes, we can. If your device is enrolled over a Intune portal, then you can save it over a portal, over a Intune portal.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, please can you how to do that, sir? Can you
BitLocker, right?
explain, sir? Yes,
BitLocker.
sir.
Okay, let me
Yes,
show
sir.
you the practical of BitLocker, right?
Yes.
Recently, we successfully enrolled our device over Microsoft Intune. I hope you guys are able to see my screen. And okay, so this is the panel. The machine name is test PC, and this machine is successfully enrolled. I'm going to open the properties of our device. How we can open it? Go to the Enter Admin Center. Select your user that you use to enroll the device. I'm going to open the page of properties of our Telnet user. In the properties of Telnet user, click on devices. It will provide us information about the number of machines that you enroll with the help of same user ID and the license. Trying to open, wait for a few more minutes.
And sir, to enable the group policy, so the hardware should the TPM should be 2.0, sir, or above.
Yeah, minimum required because
Oh,
The BitLocker is valid for NTFS formatted drive, number one, and also your BIOS must be upgraded version.
Okay.
Okay, one device is available with name of test PC. Select BitLocker keys, and there are no BitLocker keys, right? We are not able to see any BitLocker key recovery key. So because your machine doesn't contain any kind of BitLocker, so that's why you are not able to access the recovery key. Back to on premises, and let me create one partition, disk mgmt.msc. Right click and shrink. Not much. Let me create a partition for 15 GB.
Sir, in real-time scenario, that this partition that option is available for all the users, or it is applicable for the admin user only?
Only admin user, not for Active Directory users. We cannot create any kind of partition with the help of Active Directory users. You are not able to open the wizard even, right? The domain
So it is
controller
for the admin
users are not applicable to open the wizard.
only. Same is applicable from the GPU on domain controller.
Correct. Correct. So now we establish one policy, one drive with the drive that we created with name of E drive. Let me create few folders, and in the folder, let me add some data. This is test file for BitLocker practical. To configure BitLocker, type BitLocker on search menu. We are not able to open because you have already applied the policy. So I'm going back to the Intune portal, and let me remove the policy first. The policy that we configure, go to the configuration page. Demo policy we applied. One policy successfully applied to our machine, to the device, to the user, and let me remove it. Because BitLocker is a part of our control panel, so we already blocked the access of control panel, so that's why we are not able to open it. The policy that we removed from the portal, it will take time, right? So going back to the device properties, and let me execute the same kind of sync option. Sync the changes with our on-premises resources, on-premises machine. Let me check if we are able to open BitLocker key right now because we removed it from portal. Okay, let me restart it. I think policy that we configured earlier removed because we are able to see the recycle bin icon on desktop. And let me check our BitLocker. Are we able to configure BitLocker or not? So yes, you are authorized to configure a BitLocker key for your enrolled device. Select BitLocker for eDrive, select and click on turn on. It will give two different options. You can configure your own password. It's totally depend upon you. So I'm going to use my common password. And guys, how many options we are able to see to store our BitLocker key? To save your BitLocker key as a recovery, save to your Microsoft account. I'm talking about the telnet. Save to the USB, save as a file, and print out the recovery key. So these options can help us to protect our recovery key in case if you forget, right? In case if you forget the recovery key or password that you configure and you're trying to open your portal, open your encrypted key, so that time it is coming to the picture. So it's totally depend upon you where you want to save your data. If you click on Microsoft account, um, you need to log in the same computer with the help of telnet at the rate teachmecloud.blog. Then it will automatically pick the information about your key and put over the Microsoft account. Second, you can save to the flash drive. You can save as a file. So I'm going to proceed with the save as file and put on desktop, or it's totally depend upon you. So I'm just going to put on this particular data folder that we created and save it. Next, next, and save it. Our BitBlocker key is successfully saved over Microsoft on desktop in this particular driver in the folder. This is your BitBlocker key. And with the help of this recovery key, right? With the help of this recovery key, we can access the encrypted drive, the drive that we created. All done, please.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Great. So can we proceed for next? Are
Yes,
you
sir.
guys implementing your practical? Are you trying to implement your practical?
Sir, not as of now. I have made my notes. So
Now,
Sir,
we'll.
may I know the
I'm doing,
challenges
sir.
why you're not able to implement? Any issue, any problem?
No, sir.
Sir, for me, it's like I need the like hardware capability of my laptop needs to be good for that. Like I need to increase the virtual
Okay.
RAM and everything.
What about free trial for Microsoft Intune practical, the license? Do you have an account? Do you have a license, free trial license?
Yeah, I have that,
Sir,
sir.
we have.
You have, you guys have, right? No issues related to the free trial account.
We have the
Right.
account,
Yeah.
sir.
Then fine, cool.
And in fact, sir, like in my like company's environment, I have the access to Intune admin portal. So I try to navigate to different options
Hmm.
and see what all options are there. Like I don't make changes as it's
No,
a
no, no.
production one, but yeah,
Do not make any
yeah,
changes because in the production
yeah,
environment, you're not authorized
yeah,
for anything.
yes, but yeah, I do navigate and see, find different options. And sir, I wanted to ask you one more question related to
Please.
this thing. We have a query for a user, like he was trying to install a app from the company portal app,
Mhm.
which is like in his which is in his account as per the Intune admin center. His account was showing in the apps for that, but he's saying that the app is grayed out in the company portal app. So, what could be the reason for it that the app is grayed out?
Uh, in the on-premises machine, application is grayed out, right?
Right, yeah. In the company portal app, he's trying to download from the on like from his own machine, yeah, on-premises machine.
Mhm. Uh, there are multiple reasons. So can I check it? And because the application and installation procedure is remaining in our training, so I'll show you the steps
Right.
how we can install the application through the company portal, or not from company portal. We can install the application with the help of bulk enrollment method, and
Mhm.
also we can install application directly from the portal.
Okay. And sir, can we try the sync as well, like the sync option which we do like in the user's machine and the Intune admins? Will it help if we do that? Like because
Sorry, can you please
we
repeat
have
again?
I'm saying that can we try the sync option in the company portal app? There is a option to sync the account,
Yes.
and then I can try with this whether the app option gets enabled
Yeah,
to
you
install.
you so in this situation, do one thing, you just need to try to sync it from both the location from Microsoft Intune portal, and try to sync from on-premises company portal as well.
Yeah.
And let's see like the impact.
Sure.
All okay? Any other question, please? Hello.
No questions.
Okay, great. So we completed group policy. We established our devices with the help of company portal and with the help of MDM discovery URL. Fine. Now
Yes.
it's time to understand really important practical for every Microsoft engineer, Microsoft Intune administrator, because in this practical, we are going to talk about how we can enroll, how we can create a setup file to enroll multiple devices on single click. Client requested us, can you please enroll 10 machine at the same time, 100 computers at the same time, or 200 machines at the same time, right? Not at the same time, by using the bulk enrollment method. So this is not autopilot, guys. I'm not talking about the autopilot because the autopilot is a separate that come into the picture with the help of our intra admin center. By using the intra connect, we'll talk about the autopilot practical, but we have a one dedicated option that help us to set up our own application, and with the help of application we can enroll any machine. You are responsible to design your bulk enrollment application, and with the help of same application uh, we can enroll multiple PCs, PC1, PC2, PC3. It will take time, like 15, like as a more than half an hour required. So can we do it the same practical by tomorrow? And please make your concept clear with the group policy management, enrollment process, BitLocker setup and all. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll upload the video by morning, and we'll talk about the bulk enrollment. Tomorrow is in the how to configure bulk enrollment setup to enroll a number of machines on single click. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And sir,
Fine,
please
everyone.
the list of GPU policies so that we
Yeah,
can
definitely. I'm going to share the list of 10 important GPU that every Intune engineer should know about the way to apply. Fine.
Yes.
Thank you,
And sir,
everyone.
one more
Take
thing.
care. Yeah.
Sir, for installing the Windows client, so we
Mhm.
can download the ISO image from the Google as well. So is it
Yeah,
okay?
you can directly download. Yeah, you just need to download the ISO image of Windows 10 and Windows 11, and then enroll it, install and enroll it.
So should we install it from the authentic site, that Microsoft site only, or we can do it from the third party or any options
No.
available?
You can download from the Microsoft site. No problem. Which
Oh,
operating system you are looking for?
Windows
Windows 10, 11, which one?
10.
Okay, I can share the Google Drive link, and you can directly just click and open and download.
Okay, please, sir. You can
Allow me
share
10
it.
to 15 minutes. I'm going to share in the chat. Okay.
Thank you,
No,
sir.
The
you can share it
WhatsApp
on
chat.
WhatsApp. WhatsApp,
Yes,
yes.
yes.
Thank you.
Okay, everyone. Thank you.
And sir,
Thank you,
share it
sir.
for
Yeah.
the server as well, Windows server.
Cool. No problem. I will.
Thanks.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.